It has been more than a year since the coronavirus pandemic began. COVID-19 has claimed more than 4 million lives across the world. But we still have questions about its origins. Calls for a further probe have been mounting, but there's just one hurdle: China, the place where it all began. Beijing has rejected the World Health Organization's calls for a fresh investigation, saying that the move was politically motivated. It said that the efforts were more political than scientific. China had earlier dubbed a similar request by the WHO as being disrespectful towards science. The WHO has asked China to provide raw data on early stages of the outbreak. The UN Health Agency said that it's important to know about the origins of COVID-19 to prevent future outbreaks. It also demanded access to the virology lab in Wuhan, the Chinese city where the first case of coronavirus was identified in late 2019. Remember, there is speculation that COVID might have leaked from a Wuhan lab. A WHO team carried out a probe in China in January this year, but the investigation had several inconsistencies. Most notably, experts were not given any access to raw data. This meant that they had to rely on the information provided by China. Meanwhile, the WHO chief, Dr. Tedros, urged countries not to politicize the issue and cooperate with the investigation. The US has been at the forefront of demanding an independent probe into COVID origins. In fact, former President Donald Trump had pulled the country out of the WHO over quote-unquote a China bias, as he called it. The move was reversed later by President Joe Biden. The US and China are the WHO's largest donors currently. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.